Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how we can make our handmade canvas at home. In the past, I've been making a lot of painting tutorials and I thought of sharing how canvases can be made at home, which will be very helpful for all my art lovers and beginners. As sometimes we are afraid of spoiling our new canvases, so you can make inexpensive canvases at home for practice or painting as much as you want. So let's begin. For this, we'll take old notebooks or diaries and use their strong cover. The cardboard should be very strong and even. We'll cut the cardboard to whatever size we want. This is 1 meter Bukram for 20 rupees. The price may vary from place to place. This is used by tailors for stiffing garments. Always buy good quality Bukram, which is very dense and it should not have pores in it. If you do not find Bukram, you can also use pasting. Pasting has two sides. The other side is used for pasting on fabric and is little glossy in texture. We need to use this side for painting and not the glossy side, because the colors won't stay on this area and we'll not be able to paint. Now we'll take glue and add few drops of water to it. The consistency should not be very thick or very thin. Now we'll apply a very thin and even layer of glue to the cardboard. Always apply glue in layers, because if you apply the entire glue to the cardboard once, so it might dry, hence it will create very uneven texture in the background. You can also paste a piece of paper at the back just for that finished look. Similarly, I prepared these canvases of different shapes and sizes under ₹25. And with the remaining small pieces of Bukram or pasting, we can make these miniature canvases and paint whatever we want. You can hang these miniature paintings on wall or use them as coasters. We can also use plywoods for making canvases. It should be thin on the edges and it should be light in weight. We can apply wood primer on the top and use it for painting, or even paste Bukram or pasting on the top and convert them into canvases. So let me give you a quick demo of how painting would look like on this canvas. So this is very easy technique for making flowers, which is called one-stroke painting by using round brush. You can create these inexpensive canvases as much as you want and use them for practicing or making paintings at home. Once it is ready, you can frame it and hang it on your walls. And how about giving it to your loved ones? I hope you liked the video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching Goodness in You.